Did you know many people are having trouble with activating their ice maker? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find ice maker. Open your refrigerator and find the ice maker compartment. Step 2. Locate signal arm. Look for the wire signal arm that controls the ice maker operation. Step 3. Activate ice maker. Gently push down the wire signal arm to start the ice maker. Step 4. Set temperature. Set the freezer to the recommended temperature for optimal ice production. Step 5. Wait for ice. Allow a few hours for the ice maker to start producing ice. Now you should be able to activate the ice maker on your Viking RVFFR336SS. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Viking users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.